Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the left refrigerator door closer on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 1/4-inch nut driver, and a T25 Torx bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to detach the upper hinge cover. Lift up the clasp and detach the dispenser water supply line. Disconnect the wire connector and unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Now, using the T25 Torx bit, unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the hinge. Have an assistant help to hold the door in place as you lift the hinge up and remove the bushing to detach it from the wires and water tube. Detach the hinge itself from the wires and water tube. Have the assistant help you to lift the door off the center hinge and set the door on a towel or blanket. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the old door closer. To install the new door closer, align it on the bottom of the door and thread the 2 screws to secure. Reinstall the refrigerator door by positioning it on the closing cam. Confirm the mullion heater flap is closed, then close the door and hold it in position. Feed the water tube through the upper door hinge, then push the wires through the slot in the hinge. Reinsert the wires and tube in the bushing, then insert the bushing into the upper hinge. Reposition the hinge on the door and cabinet and thread the 2 mounting screws to secure. Reconnect the wire connector. Reattach the water supply line. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.